Hey guys, something different again today. We're taking that baby out today. I'm gonna throw some lures to see if we can get some tuna. This is the first day, and as soon as we get to the zone, we drop our lures and start towing them around. And it didn't take long for us to find a school, and we hooked one straight away.
First fish. Oh. Wow. Tuna! Oh, double hookup! Wow! Ano na video?
Naka-on na yan.
Palo na naman, double dribble! Bro! Yan na. Ayun yan. Tirahin mo na. Ha? Iangat mo na diretso. Ayan. Wait lang. Pin. Yan. Ang daming isda sa ilalim. Ang daming isda, Baham. Ang daming isda sa ilalim.
Serious?
Ang daming isda sa ilalim. Sinoy. Angat mo na, Noy. Ang daming isda sa ilalim. Anong ginagawa mo? Ito mo na. Tiga. Ito mo. Ayos na.
That is the last fish that we can keep, and just like that, we had a really solid day one. There were tunas everywhere. We left them biting and left the rest for day two.